Hi guys, welcome to Excel and Math Sci. So we're going to look at another quadratic expression, and in this time the quadratic expression, the coefficient of x has a positive in front of a positive sign and the constant has a negative. So let's go ahead and apply those principles to solve the quadratic expression into two linear expressions. Now the way it works is exactly the same. So we need some number, okay, when multiplied together will give me 40 minus 48, or should I say just 48. We just ignore the signs for now and we just concentrate on the size of this number. So the two numbers that would multiply to give me 48, I mean there's so many factors of 48, but the clue is in the coefficient here, okay. The difference between the factors must be 2, okay. So that kind of gives me an idea of the magnitude of the factors. So then I have the two factors which will, when multiplied together, will give me 48, are 6 and 8. And now, so I've got the factors. So I've got 6 and 8. Now you might think 6 plus 8 is not equal to 2, but yet we'll have a look at that and we'll put the appropriate signs in order to get the 2. Now, because 6 times 8 does not give me minus 48, now either 6 could be negative or 8 could be negative. So how do we know which one? Well, what we do, we go back to the coefficient. Okay, now the coefficient is positive, so that means in order to get a positive 2, the negative sign is carried by the smaller number and the larger number is positive. So that will be minus 6 times 8, which equals to minus 48. So our expression, or the linear expressions, will be x minus 6, x plus 8. And that's that factorized into two linear expressions. Okay, let's look at another one. So we have x squared plus 3x minus 40. Once again, we need two factors of 40 that when multiplied together give me minus 40 or 40, and whose difference is 3. So those two factors would be 5 and 8, because 5 times 8 gives me 40. Now I need to decide which one is negative and which one is positive. So I'll go back to my coefficient and look at that as a plus 3. So because that's a plus 3, that means the bigger number is going to be positive and the smaller number is going to be negative. So if I apply that, so it's minus 5 plus 8 will give me 3. So that satisfies both of these conditions. So then I go ahead and factorize these into two linear expressions. So that's x minus 5, x plus 8. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helps.